Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be explaining how to diagnose and treat typhoid fever. Typhoid fever comes as a result of what is called a typhoid infection caused by a bacteria known as Salmonella typhi bacteria. And it is a type of infection that is popular or common in Africa and many developing countries of the world. Typhoid fever is a type of fever that is very deadly, very fatal if not treated on time. It can result in some situations, some conditions that can be fatal, and that is the reason why I'm bringing this to you today. Once you start having the symptoms of typhoid fever, which is somehow similar to that of malaria, you want to go for a check. You want to go to your doctor. In this video, I'm advising that whenever you have the symptoms, you go and visit your doctor. So this video is just for information purpose and not for diagnosis. We're not trying to help you treat or diagnose. We're just trying to educate you and to help you understand what you should expect when you are going in for this type of treatment or check. Now, you should check in with a doctor when you have symptoms like fever, stomach upsets, when you feel weak, or what we call fatigue in the body, when you are not feeling yourself, you are having other symptoms like headache is part of it, when you are having loss of appetite and a lot of symptoms like that. You would be asked to go for a test called the WIDA test, and most of the time the doctors usually add malaria parasite test to the list of tests you'll be doing. But WIDA test is the test basically used for detecting the bacteria in the blood that causes typhoid. But because the symptoms of typhoid is similar to that of malaria, they might ask you to also do a malaria test. So once this test comes in, and then probably you are free of malaria, but there is a prediction from the text that you might be having this typhoid infection because of the presence of the typhoid bacteria in your blood. What you are likely to be asked to do at this point is to go for a culture, a urine, stool, or blood culture is what you might be asked to do at this point in time. You might be asked to get this done to confirm the presence of this bacteria that causes typhoid fever. So one common type of culture is the urine culture, which is also known as the urine MCS, urine microscopic culture and sensitivity. This type of test or this type of culture will help you to confirm that in your blood exists the bacteria that is causing the typhoid fever, the Salmonella typhi bacteria. And in this test will also help to understand or to predict the type of antibiotics that could be used and that will be effective on the typhoid fever or the type of typhoid fever that you're having. So it will actually predict the type of antibiotic that will work on the typhoid fever, that will work better for the typhoid fever. So this is the way to diagnose and treat typhoid fever. So in some other videos, I may be able to explain how to prevent typhoid fever, because that again is one thing that is very important. Prevention is better than cure. Now, in the nearest future, I will also make a video about the natural antibiotics, natural remedies that are effective against the typhoid fever. There are some natural antibiotic preparation that there is a natural antibiotic preparation that is effective against the typhoid fever. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and please click the notification button so that you can be notified whenever I make a new post. I make videos about health, general health issues, especially those that are predominant in Africa, and I talk more also about the cardiovascular system, because it's an aspect that I'm especially interested in and that I love to talk about. So if you want to understand basically the natural remedies for a lot of diseases and illness or ailments, you should make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.